It has been started. Okay, so guys,
Okay.
now I am showing you how to make the coffee with this device. So this is coffee maker, and okay, so the first step is you need to put this one here, right? You have to insert it. So I am inserting this one like, okay. So I need to push what button? You should say.
This one? No.
Uh,
First?
this one green.
Yeah, choose the number first.
So what will be the number?
Yeah, I'm supposed
Okay.
change the number to like 20.
I need to change the number to 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I need to
Yeah,
click here.
press.
Okay. Then I think this coffee, this coffee just will come here, this powder. So you see watch this. Okay, it has been done. So now I need to push that. I need to do it that again. Okay. Now I need to turn it out. Okay. So guys, now I turn it out. Okay. Let's see what happened. So is it okay for one
Yeah,
coffee?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
sir.
it has taken the powder from the coffee beans. So now I need to put that here. So here I am putting that. Okay. Okay. Lock tight. Tight. It has become tight. Okay. So now I need to select which one I need.
Yeah, double.
So you need double, right?
Yes.
So here I need to select double. So
Put the mic first.
Ah, okay, I need to put them on here. So what you want to have, brew or
Yeah.
the cappuccino? This one
Yes, please.
or any other?
No, this one.
This one, okay. So now the magic is started, you know. Okay, let's see what's happening here.
What about the milk?
Yeah. So if you want
Show
to
me.
have milk, then
Yeah,
you
okay.
need to take this. Okay. I need to put milk here.
Yeah.
I need to put again some milks. So is it okay? Is it okay?
Yep.
Okay, so now
Pull it out.
I need
Yeah,
to,
from this.
I
Just
need
pull
to
it out.
pull it out,
Yeah.
then put it into the milk. Then here I need
Make
to
it extra hot,
Oh,
which
I need
means
to-
like adjust this to
I'm
70 or more.
I have to set it
Yeah.
to
press.
plus why? Oh, for making it more hot. 70 degrees centigrade. Okay,
Yeah.
up to 73.
Yeah.
Okay, then this one. Oh, the magic started also here.
See, the converter is going on. Until 73, right?
Ah, yeah, it will go until 73.
So, what do you think about this machine?
Yeah.
Buy one? You wanna buy one?
Ah, yeah. It looks very it will be so gorgeous, so delicious coffee.
Okay. Now, pull it out like this.
Yeah. So now I need to pull it out. Then
And clean it before you
clean it with this.
return.
So, but be careful. It could be hot. So now
Clean
I
it
need
very
to
well.
put that here. This is the cleaning itself. So now I need to clean it carefully. Okay. So
Last step.
the last step is putting the milk here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it depends upon the experience. So how many milk will be here? Is that okay?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Yeah, enough.
Enough?
Enough.
Okay. Now the last step is I need to pull that out.
Okay.
So I am pulling that out. Okay, and you see this is the garbage. So I need to put that here. I need to pull it out. Okay, it has
Comes
come
out.
out.
So then
So
we
it
just
has
clean it,
I need to clean it.
water, and that's it. Thank you so much, Mahmoud, for the story. It was awesome.
Yeah, in the background, behind the scene, it was Mohammed doing PhD here. Yeah, actually he is training me, and he's a very good guy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I need to put it where?
Yeah, no, you have. We first has to clean it with water.
I have cleaned it with water.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, just put it up here, and that's
Okay,
it.
I need to clean it. Because
And you're awesome, man.
someone will use it later.
Yeah, you're going to.